Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Epson printer issues in Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem guys. Go to search menu and type services. Right click on it. Select run as administrator. In services you need to search for printer spooler guys. Printer spooler service. Double click on it. And you just need to select startup type to automatic, and if the service status is stopped you just need to start it guys. Click apply and OK, and after that click the printer spooler, right click on it, select restart and close out of here. Hopefully this can able to resolve the problem. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial is definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.